Union Minister of State Giriraj Singh says opening of 9 incubation centers in Manipur will generate 2.5 lakh jobs in phase 1. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh accuses India government of withdrawing people's welfare programs launched by UPA government. And senior reporter Pautil Chawla felicitated by Amzu for breaking the news of Hirojit's confession on Sanjeet encounter case. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Kishore Chandrawal Kemcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. Union Minister of State for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Giriraj Singh today said Union Ministers are visiting Manipur with a purpose and a firm agenda. Giriraj Singh's visit in the state is important as he will submit a report to the centre which might impact on the Union Budget 2016-17 to be presented by Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley. Giriraj Singh was felicitated by BJP Manipur Pradesh at the party's head office at Niti Pat Chutek. The Union Minister said out of 22 incubation centres to be opened in India, 9 centres have been sanctioned for Manipur. In the first phase, the training will be provided to unemployed youth to generate an estimated 2.5 lakh jobs in the state. He said within 2 to 3 years, around 4.5 lakh jobs are expected to be generated with the opening of incubation centres. Replying to a query regarding a Pradhan Mantri Employment Generation Program, Giriraj Singh said 60% of the loan takers in the state have not paid back loans, making them non-profit asset. He said under the program, the ministry is considering to first give trainings before giving loans to unemployed so that jobs can be generated easily.
आपने देखा होगा कई मंत्री आ चुके हैं मणिपुर टूरिस्ट के नाते नहीं आते और हम एफएफडीसी और 9 इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर के माध्यम से फर्स्ट फेज में 2.25 लाख यूथ को लोगों को इंगेज करेंगे, उससे रोजगार मिलेगा। अगले सेकेंड फेज में उतना ही होगा, यानी 2 साल से 3 साल के अंदर में 4.5 लाख लोगों को उससे रोजगार के अवसर होंगे।
Giriraj Singh lambasted Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh for bad governance in Manipur. He said Manipur, with a population of over 27 lakh people, has over 7 lakh unemployed educated youth. Giriraj Singh said Ibobi Singh led Congress government should resign for failing to provide jobs to its people. He appealed to the people of Manipur to give BJP a chance to form government in the state. After the felicitation ceremony, Union Minister of State Giriraj Singh met handloom clusters at the residence of Thongju MLA TH Bishwajit. Before leaving Imphal, the minister interacted with handloom weavers and told them they are making immense contribution to the state's economy. He also inspected a handloom cluster in Thongju constituency. Giriraj Singh left Imphal for Tripura today.
राज्य सरकार जो मुख्यमंत्री यहाँ बैठे हैं वो क्या केवल मुख्यमंत्री बनने के लिए 15 साल हो गया सरकार में और 7 लाख लोग बेरोजगार, 28 लाख आबादी, ऐसे मुख्यमंत्री को तो गद्दी छोड़ देनी चाहिए। मैं तो अपील कर रहा हूं मणिपुर की जनता से कि एक बार आप बीजेपी की सरकार दें और नरेंद्र मोदी दिल्ली में है, राज्य में नरेंद्र मोदी की सरकार होगी, हम विकास करके दिखाएंगे।
Meanwhile, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh today accused the BJP-led India government in the centre of withdrawing various welfare programs launched by the UPA government. Speaking at a political conference held in connection with the completion of 10 years of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme at Congress Bhavan at BT Road, organized by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, the Chief Minister stated that UPA government launched various policy programs for the poor, farmers and unemployed. He alleged that the present India government even failed to continue the much acclaimed MGNREGS properly. Okram Ibobi also stated that India government rechristened the Look East policy launched by UPA government to develop the Northeast states as Act East policy, but any significant work is yet to be taken up under the policy. He said the BJP just keeps on making propaganda by launching unworthy policy program without any work. Ibobi appealed to the gathering to spread awareness about BJP's wrong deeds.
प्रजासिंहनबु यारदी ईश्वरन याबने हाय प्रजासिंहसिदि कुइना मिनम्बा याति हेता खंगे यादिएबा अदुना कोई प्रजासिंहदा हाइबा ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯛ 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 ꯅꯤꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯎꯔꯒ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯆꯤꯟ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯏꯕꯣꯕꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯐꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯤꯜꯂꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯉꯥꯡꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗꯕ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯖꯒꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯐꯥꯎꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯤꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯀꯔꯣꯔꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯛꯂꯥꯎꯗ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯛꯎ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ.
MPCC President and Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khungam asserted that as long as BJP government is there in the centre, there will be unrest and people will suffer in the country as well as in Manipur. He also maintained that NDA government in the centre has removed the northeast states, including Manipur, from the special status category and abolished many welfare schemes. Gai Khungam said it is not due to the fault of the state government that the funds of MGNREGS have not reached the people on time, but due to centre's delay in releasing them. Ministers, Congress MLAs and Congress leaders and workers took part in the function.
Special program kaya muthalle tay lamma yanisu NAC kanike Northeastern state ta piriba special status special program ya matang muthalli national level pakhalibe analysis ko matay tay mayan su matang pakatuna tawriba punama ka sa masi program se masigi wahan thok amada nunggi oiba mukhai agenda di praja singbu wahan ba aduga profit later ba pot tawroi welfare program se masi muthakada bani habaki nunggi oiba pot am layap se ko khang.
Senior reporter of Imphal Free Press, Aribam Dhananjoy, popularly known as Paujil Chaba, was felicitated for breaking the news of suspended head constable Tanajum Hirozid's confessions regarding the Sanjit Fake encounter case of July 2009. The felicitation was organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union. Those who attended the felicitation ceremony lauded Paujil Chaba for his bold and courageous reporting. President of AMJU, Wangkhemcha Samjai, appealed to all media fraternity to abide by professional ethics and of journalism and at the same time to do investigative reporting. Speaking on occasion, senior reporter of Imphal Free Press, Paujil Chaba, expressed his desire to continue his work with firmness. He also appealed to the media fraternity to carry out follow-up of particular news story.
Kiam Song Level on the Akumian Puna Sabina Kana, Sabina have the demo. I'm here, Sabina Nigani, I had a silly using Sika, the public response to Loyal control one name in one way. I will need two Zala and she doesn't remember the Mosu, Magi, Tomodo, Pato, Matuneva, Huina, Miana, Shinkana, Shinkana, but I have done my job. I don't know.
Shabnam, whose parents were murdered by a mob, drew the attention of the authorities concerned to bring back her younger brother and sister. In a press meet called by Women Action for Development WAD ward at Manipur Press Club, Shabnam said after her parents were lynched by a mob in 2010 in connection with the killing of a Zilla Parishad member in Sora, her younger brother and sisters were taken to her aunts. But in 2005, she learned that her brother was taken to Mumbai by her uncle and made to work as security in a mall. She said her little sister is missing since yesterday after she went out for tuition. She also said a missing complaint has been registered with Yaripur police station, but no action has been taken up till now.
I now I need to England of the Sina Bio Marilena authorities in the police complaint or Moina extent Sini have the kind Tawaina Muizo interest young to be a chair, do not Yaragadi Marilena authorities in the I would see you the same. I can have the government to later brand, letter gonna low dosing ladies in the I get the kind to tabi, kind to be the bride hanging.
While in another press meet called by Awad, Sahida Moinam appealed to the authority concerned to help return her 6-month-old daughter who has been taken custody by her in-laws. Shahida is the second wife of Zakir of Sangayupam Cherapur Mathak Lekai. Shahida said she was beaten and driven out of her husband's house by her husband's first wife and children on December 14. Now, all is set for the mass rally for the common future of Manipur to be held on February 6. Convener of the organizing committee, Elangwam Johnson, said elected representatives from the hill districts will also be taking part in the rally. Speaking at a press meet held at UCM office at Lamphel, Elangwam Johnson said there has been information that some groups of a particular community distributed leaflets warning not to take part in the proposed rally. Maintaining that the rally is not for any particular community but for all the communities living together since time immemorial, Johnson appealed to stop such activities. He said instead of trying to derail the rally, all must join to stand unitedly against any vested interest who are driving wedge among the communities living in the state. Mobilization convener Dr. Y. Manikuman urged all to participate in the rally and teach a lesson to those who are against the rally.
Manipur miyamda ekoi gi maikai dagi hairiba khongchit asigi damakta sem saba du koi pumloi lore ana koi thamjari pandam asi objective asi koi Manipur gi apunba gi tunglabjit amaki ni haibase koi khangbi daba rally sidai sira saru yadana bagi adu gumba participation da hindrance piba haitar yaur missing adu dosan la ni gana haiba gumba dung some sort of yamna elusive threat haitar madu umba leiba sing ado tawbi ganu adu gi mahutta koi gi tawbi be chinau singsu punna miyam gi mifam amasu pangthok ko do ribasida koi saru yaminadana chahi lisang sing leminare furup sing asigi marakta anauba inod ama pirakanda makha tabada aikoi ase khanna nengnerakanda leibaki bo thodu wathok sing asi punna thengneminasi.
KG Moirang Apunbalub Moirang in a press release said they support the mass rally for common future of Manipur jointly organized by UCM, Amuko and CCSK on February 6. Lilong Political Unified Link, Lipul and all Lilong Farmers Association have also stated that they will support the rally. Now, residents of Lilong decried the forcible discharge of patients affected by the diarrhea epidemic that hit Lilong Qingzhou on January 28 by the RIMS authority from the hospital. 33 patients who were discharged from RIMS are currently admitted to Lilong Primary Health Center. 10 out of them are even unable to speak due to the ailment. BJP Manipur Pradesh State General Secretary Administration M. Ashwini Kumar, Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha President O. Malesh, Vice President Amtaz Khan and BJP workers today visited the patients admitted at the health center. A relative of a patient said doctors of RIMS simply gave them some medicines and asked them to go home. He said assurance made by the government that the affected persons will be treated for free is nothing but a lie. They had to buy all the required medicines on their own apart from 1 or 2 IV fluid. Foundation of Youth Development Organization Lilong General Secretary Wahazuddin denounced the attitude of Manipur government on looking down on Muslim minority and appealed to address their grievances at the earliest.
RIMS-ta yeng matamda Dr. Raun lakpa matamda so test taw haibasu leite urine test taw haibasu leite adu karma mongdune engbir si e pharane na heda khar iraga yumda dum charo ibadi makha taba doctor singduna leiraga dum manage lakhan mane hidak langthakti moi drip ama gumbaga ama nidi pirang wadra thai de khoina leibane
health ki director ki thausu pubiriba saribam jana lilongda sigumba lilong Qingzhou da nariba laina asi ngasi makior tawre aikoina kem tawjaba matamda anaba ama phawba laktre haidana ngasi khabar kagas kaya de yaurok pasi tasengna ma aikoi lilong Qingzhou gi praja moina tasengna nungai jade.
Social Organization for Universal Livelihood SOUL Manipur distributed blankets, food items and water bottles to the destitute and homeless people in Imphal today. SOUL representatives have been providing help to the poor and homeless people during the night from January 31 to February 2. They also gifted blankets to women and children living in Leimaron Women Abode, Poire Nawakon at Koirengay. Manipur Electricity Employees Union today staged sit-in at the office complex of MSPDCL located at Secure Office Complex 80 line demanding regularization of contract and muster roll employees. Speaking to Impact News, the General Secretary of the union said they had submitted memorandum to the Chief Minister regarding the matter, but till now no action has been taken up. He further said their agitation will be intensified if their demands are not met. All Manipur Students Union has permanently banned Nakupi Garden Fast Food Kurai Angom Lekai. The restaurant is run by Tensubam Romeo alias Amumacha from Kurai Angom Lekai. The ban was imposed after AMSU volunteers found a girl student in school uniform with a friend inside the restaurant this morning around 11:30. AMSU Vice President Kangabam Dhanajit said the restaurant was earlier warned in 2015 by JCILPS student wing for allowing students in uniform.
Manipurda laiba sato khunai asibu mahangna tasengna phone singnabani haina lawi karigumba mahang ki restaurant si akoina AMSU na matam punam ki oina thingjale hairiba asigi mayokta usi thawoidana hangamba targadi moduda tholakpa afafata daito punamok tensubam Romeo Alliance Amumasa amasung mahaki imung manungna pugana.
The wooden bridge over the Khujairok River connecting Kunau Meitei Lekai and Haijing Kulin More is in deplorable condition. Speaking to Impact News, Saikom Bruce Meitei, president of Yai Pathaurang Thoksiluk Club More, said people of the area are scared to cross the bridge as the wooden planks are rotten. He said even though ministers and MLAs who came to inaugurate the 33 kV substation promised to construct a new bridge, nothing has been done till now.
Thongzina maram oirakanda 33 kV da phauna gadaba gari lambi amta phauna bangamdre adegi thongziga khunau laikai ga haijang benga gi marakta lairiba lambi ju thongzina maram oirakanda kuina chathuk kasin yabani gari amata chatpa yadre angang gi chathuk kasin da phar yam tare aduna sakarna thongaje athuba matamda miyeng chagbina ba haiduna khanganjari.
Department of Financial Services Union Ministry of Finance recognized Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited, located at Uripok Taurang Mamlaikai, as the financial institute on December 18. The name of Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited was included among the 41 selected financial institute of the country. Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited got the license of National Housing Bank on October 1, 2009 and became the first housing finance company in the Northeast to receive such license. Chairman and Managing Director T.H. Hemo Singh said the company signed a memorandum of understanding with the centre and has been providing loans under the Credit Link Subsidy Scheme to the needy people. Former Ketrigao MLA Thangjam Nandikishore today saw the construction of the building of Huirem Lekai Sports and Youth Development Organization at Naharub. The former MLA discussed the construction with the residents of Naharub Huirem Lekai. He also donated Rs 50,000 towards the construction of the building. Now, Hawam Pavan Kumar's non-feature film Phumshang Floating Life clinched the Golden Conch Award in the International Competition section for the documentary film under 60 minutes category at the 14th edition of Mumbai International Festival for Documentary, Short and Animation Films, popularly known as MIFF. The award carries the Golden Conch and Rs 3 lakhs to the director and the Golden Conch and Rs 2 lakhs to the producer of the film. Phumshang is a 52-minute film which depicts the displaced fishermen after Manipur government in 2011 burned down hundreds of huts in the Loktak Lake in the pretext of cleaning the lake and blaming the locals for polluting the lake. The film covers the whole event extensively, and more interestingly, the film also shows the making of Phumshang, where fishermen were engaged in making their unique hut, making layers of biomass where they erect a home. Yening Performing Arts Centre's latest production, Kaibu Kaiwaiba Nahak Halakho, was premiered today at Roop Mahal Theatre at BT Road. The play was scripted by Dr. Thanil Laima and directed by S. Chinglen Nganba. The play depicts the life and sufferings of women who are victims of crimes and violence. The 5th Northeast Theatre Festival 2016 will be held from February 19 to 25 at Hongnem-shang NT Theatre's Playhouse in Changangai, Uchekon. 7 plays from Nagaland, Tripura, Assam and Manipur will be showcased during the festival. The festival is organized by NT Theatre under the sponsorship of Ministry of Culture, Northeast Zone Cultural Centre Dimapur and Arts and Culture Department, Government of Manipur. Addressing media person at Hongnem-shang NT Theatre's Playhouse, NT Theatre Director Ningthauja Deepak appealed to the people not to call for ban, blockade or strike in view of the festival. The festival has been organized since 2011 to integrate the theatre lover of the Northeast. On the inaugural day, Kalakshetra Manipur's play Piba Hungry Stone, directed by H. Tomba, will be staged. Now in sports news, Kurai Polo Club A and 10 Polo Club Wangkai have reached the semi-finals of the 57 Mountain Division Polo Tournament. Kurai Polo Club trounced Chinkai Hunba Polo Club 8-0 in the quarterfinals. P. Ojit scored 3 goals, P. Jotin and Estola scored 2 goals each, while Hobi Achumi scored 1 goal in the match. In the second quarterfinal match, Ex-Polo Club Wangkai beat Manipur Police Sports Polo Club B 5-4. The third and fourth quarterfinal matches will be played tomorrow. Nisha Thangweban have won the 6th Sahid Manoranjan Singh Memorial State Open Football Tournament. In the final match played at Kumalampak Main Stadium, Nisha Thangweban beat Neroka FC Sangakpam 7-6 in a penalty shootout. Both the teams scored 3 goals each in the normal time. The tournament is organized by Imphal West District Football Association and Group Centre CRPF Imphal under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh presented the prizes to the winners. Manipur Amateur Boxing Association Secretary General Koibi Salam will lead the Indian women boxing contingent for the South Asian Federation Games to be held in Guwahati and Shillong. Boxers Laishram Devendra Singh, MC Mary Kom and Laishram Sarita Devi are participating in the games. Now, the torch relay of the 12th South Asian Games was held in Itanagar today. Arunachal Pradesh Governor J.P. Rajkhowa flagged off the event by handing over the torch to mountaineer Ansu Jansenpa, who holds the world record of climbing the Everest thrice. The relay started at Raj Bhavan and culminated at Indira Gandhi Park, from where it returned to Guwahati. The 12th South Asian Games, which is being organized from February 5 to 15 in Guwahati and Shillong. The SAG this year will have athletes participating from 8 member countries, namely Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Over 3,500 athletes and sports officials confirmed to participate in the Games. Now, before we wind up, here's a quick reminder of the headlines once again. Union Minister of State Giriraj Singh says opening of 9 incubation centers in Manipur will generate 2.5 lakh jobs in Phase 1. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh accuses NDA government of withdrawing people's welfare programs launched by UPA government. And senior reporter Pawan Chawla felicitated by Amjad for breaking the news of Hirojit's confessions on Sanjit encounter case.